Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix this error problem in Epic Game Store. So I looked it up, the problem here. We're here in the official game store, but I'm here to guide you on what to do. So first of all, when you receive the pop-up to install the Net Framework 3.5, download and install this feature. Then once you install that, you're gonna click close. You will see the error and just close the error and start the install process for Epic Games Online Services, and it should be complete. Then after that, you want to run Epic Games as an administrator. So, right, Epic Games Launcher. Here, you're going to right click, then you're going to press run as administrator, like that. Then after that, if that still doesn't work, you're gonna run all Windows updates. So you're gonna search for updates on the Windows search bar, check for updates, then you're gonna look for updates here, and you're gonna click and install, and that should do the trick. If that still doesn't work, you're gonna grant write and read access to Epic Game Store. So you wanna do is search Epic Games, and you're gonna click here, then you're gonna search for open file location. Then after that, you're gonna right click on Epic Games. You're gonna look at properties. Wait, hold up there. Let me look it up first. Go to properties, you go to security, then select your username. Mine is just this one. Then after that, for the editors, please blur this. You're gonna pick your account there. Then what you're gonna do is, wait, my mind. After you click that, you're gonna make sure the permission for read and write is there, and press OK. You're gonna make sure that the permissions, okay, let me look that up again. Go here, go here, go here, the properties, security, and you're gonna make sure, I'm gonna just press everyone. So you're gonna make sure that you have access to it. That you're gonna press edit here, then you're gonna press your username, then you're gonna put read and write on allow, then you go apply, and you press OK, and there you go. You can just go ahead and apply and OK. If that doesn't work, shut down Windows installer services. So Control Shift. We're gonna look up MSI-exe. I'm just gonna find that. I don't have it now, so you can just find that, then you're gonna end task. Then after that, if that still doesn't work, you can go to Microsoft website right here, and you're gonna download the troubleshooter. Then you're gonna uninstall this one. Double click this one, and Microsoft program install and install that metadata file. Then when launch, pick the installing option. If that still doesn't work, you gotta make sure there's an Epic Games Online service on your folder. If you don't see this folder, you gotta create one. So we're going to find it, okay? So we go here. We're going to local disk, program files. We're gonna find Epic Games, and I do have the folder here. If you don't have it, you gotta make it. And then after that, you gotta, if that still doesn't work, you have to reinstall Epic Games Launcher on your main drive. You wanna do is press Windows E, go to File Explorer. Then after that, you're gonna create this path right here. I do have that file, but if you don't know, you go here, .86. Then Epic Games, there we go. Then go to your following location, your install location, then you're gonna do that, reinstall it there, double click on Epic on MSI service.msi, then install it on the previous created location. If that works well, and that to solve the problem for you, I'm glad that helped, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.